Have you been frustrated with Mailchimp's broken X integration? Well, great news. It's back up and working. Let me show you how to automatically get your Mailchimp email campaigns back on X. So let's get started. If you're unfamiliar with Mailchimp's X integration, you can share your email campaigns with your followers on your connected X account. Last year, however, this ability was limited. However, as recently as last week, Mailchimp upgraded its X account and you can now automatically post your email campaigns to X again. So here's how. So to make all of this connection happiness work, we're going to start from our dashboard or our home page on our Mailchimp account, and we're going to scroll down to integrations. Here, click on integration, discover, and then you might see it up here as one of the top ones, or you could just do a quick search here, which is what I will do. And it's probably not going to come out with Twitter. Oh, it does, formerly Twitter. I still call it Twitter. I don't know what you guys call it, but X is very hard for me to say coming from Twitter. Anyway, click on it. And then we're going to click on the connect button here. So it's going to refresh the page, take us to the integration tab for X, Twitter. So the first thing it wants you to do is select an audience that will be associated with your X account. So we'll select our Strategic Marketing Solutions audience and we'll click on connect. It will take you over to X/Twitter, where you'll need to authorize Mailchimp. And so we'll click on authorize, and then it's going to redirect us back to Mailchimp saying that we are all set. We are now connected. It says it right here. X is connected to Strategic Marketing Solutions. So once you have your X and Mailchimp integrated with each other, so the next step is to create a campaign. So we'll just create a real simple campaign here. We'll call it Testy. Click on create email. So we're now in the draft email that we're working with. Of course, you'd put in all the information, the to, the from, of course, edit the design email, all that good stuff. But we want to look at the social post connection. So we're going to scroll down here and it says add a social post to your email. So you can toggle these on one by one if you have it all integrated. In this case, we're looking at the X integration. We'll just toggle that on and immediately you get the URL, which will take people to the campaign archive of your email. And then we can add in other messages like, here, check out the latest newsletter, that type of thing. You can add in your hashtags, all that good stuff that works so well on X. Optionally and recommended to get, a little bit more engagement is to add in images. So if we click on add images, you can add up to 4 images, and you can even do an animated GIF, but you cannot do both. You can't have a GIF and images. So it's either one or the other here. And Mailchimp is recommending image sizes less than 5 megabytes. And with that, click on save message. Whenever this email is sent out to our contacts, it will automatically be posted to our X account. And that's it. You're now set up to automatically share your Mailchimp email campaigns on X. How easy was that? One bonus tip before I leave you, and that is to check out what other apps are connected to your Twitter account. If it's been a while since you've connected any apps to Twitter/X, you might want to review them. To do that, go into your homepage of your Twitter account, click on the More tab, the 3 dots. From the More tab, click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, click on Security and Account Access. Then click on Apps and Sessions, and then take a look at your connected apps. And just review here to make sure that these apps still need connecting to Twitter/X. And if they don't, just click on the right arrow here and click on Revoke App Permissions. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Mailchimp tips and updates. And let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite email campaign strategy? And I'll see you in the next video.